welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my first mirrorless camera, which is the Olympus E-M5 Mark III. Sorry, I always get that name wrong because it's so new to me. I used to have the Canon EOS 550D, otherwise known as the Rebel T2i in the US, I believe, which I'm currently filming with. It has served me for many trusty years. It's a kind of clunky old thing now that these fancy, sleek mirrorless cameras are out, so I'm so excited to start using the Olympus that I have with me right here. I'm gonna be unboxing it in a few seconds. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more content on my channel. I'm joined here today by my best friend. You might not be able to see her, I'm not sure if she's in the frame, but it's my dog over here, Miko. She, kind of likes to be with me all the time, except when she does not. So without further ado, let's go. Oh shit. Oh god. Ta-da! Here you have my assistant, who is also curious and wants me to open the box soon. And yeah, let's get going, guys. So while I unpack, for some context, I'm sorry, can you sit down, please? Okay, sit, thank you, sit, okay. So for some context, I had been eyeing the Sony a7 III as do us all for a long time, about a few years now, ever since I saw my colleague or friend that I went on a trip with who was using the older model. I'm sorry, she's so distracting. But I had been eyeing that, even though I found the menu really complicated to maneuver coming from a Canon system. In recent months, when I finally decided that I wanted to purchase a mirrorless camera, like this was the time, I began looking into its contenders, and one of the prime ones that I saw and considered was the Fujifilm series, particularly the X-T30 and X-T3. And actually, right up until the last minute when I walked up to the electronics store, I went up to them super confidently, marched up to the attendant and said like, hey, can you show me your Fujifilm X-T3 and X-T30? I want to buy one of them. You know what? When I got my hands on trying one of their demo models, I didn't fall in love with either the X-T3 or the X-T30. And that was due to a couple of reasons. The X-T30, as a lot of YouTube reviews have iterated on, had this like clunky-ish joystick that I did not like. One thing that really put me off about the X-T3 when I held it in my hands was definitely its weight. It was really weighty, and also given that I wanted to find a camera for photography and vlogging. I'm not an like a camera expert by any means, so I don't know the jargon or proper terms for it, but the screen wasn't able to turn to face me when I'm vlogging, so I can't see myself and whoever may be with me. So that was a huge downside for me. Professional photographers might be scoffing at my review because that probably isn't the camera meant for vlogging. It's meant for professional photography and videography and can do so much more. It's a beast. I get it, I know. But, you know, for my own personal usage, that just didn't cut it for me. The attendant kind of motioned me to look at some Olympus models. And I was like, Olympus? I just always associated Olympus as this, like, old, kind of outdated brand that didn't really, I didn't see the hype around it. With us youngsters, it was always like Sony, Fuji, Nikon, Canon, Olympus. But here I am with the OND, help, E-M5 Mark III, E-M5 Mark III. And yeah, here is the baby. It is so pretty. I love it so much. It has a steady grip. It's lightweight, which I love. Look, this is what I'm talking about. When I vlog, I want the screen to show me. It's just a sexy little thing. I have to admit, I have yet to study all that the Olympus model can bring. I gotta get to work though soon, so I've scheduled a photo shoot with my friend in the coming week, so that will be fun. Guys, I have a newfound respect for unboxers, like professionals, like, what is it, Mark Brownlee, I don't know. It is so hard to concentrate on processing your thoughts, articulating them, looking at the camera, also fiddling with these boxes. My senses are overwhelmed. Here in this box, you have the charger, the Olympus strap. Oh, I'm gonna get to something that's so cute in my opinion, because I have never used a mirrorless camera, and in comparison with the equipment, on the DSLR equivalent, it is so cute, so cute. This is a battery charger. Battery. And guys, I'm so mad because my Canon stopped recording automatically halfway while I was shooting the previous segment, where I got cut off right before I showed you the cutest element in the box. And you might see a discrepancy in what's laid out over here, especially this one. But let me just continue with what I can. The thing that I wanted to show you guys was this cutesy little flash. I've only seen like the DSLR external flashes, and this is like a toy. It's like something like a chewable that my dog could bite on, that you can buy at the pet center. But no, she will not do that. So here it is. That was what I wanted to show you. What I took out of the other box, which is the 12 to 45 millimeter lens. Let me show you the box, because this is an unboxing video. This is the box, 12 to 45. The Olympus lenses, unbeknownst to me previously, are called the M line. I had no idea, given that, you know, I haven't looked at Olympus my whole life. What does Zuiko mean? Light of the gods. So I better take some dang fine pictures. This is the lens that came out of the box, 12 to 45 millimeter. I attached this hood on and put it on, put it in, and here it is. The Olympus E-M5 Mark III for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more content. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you'd like to see. And I would beckon my assistant to say goodbye to you guys, but she is fast asleep. Adios, muchachos.